Hey folks, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're resting when you need to, and I hope you're busy when you have to be, right? So today has been a putter day, just a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I did record a little bit of splitting wood, and tomorrow I'll stack that. 4th of July is coming up, and somebody said something about a no drive holiday. I don't know what that even means. So whatever the no drive holiday is, that's just something that somebody decided to put together, I guess. I don't know. I haven't even Googled it, folks. I just don't know. So I guess it doesn't affect me. Some of you really like this shirt, right? I got this quite a few years ago, even before all this whole mess, because the state of Maine is just taxed to death. It really is. So I guess I'm going to call it quits. I really don't have much to show you. I've got a couple of snippets, and I'm not going to try to get into a lot of snippets, but sometimes it's very convenient. It throws a kind of a mix into everything. But it's just been so busy, folks. It's been so busy, and I'm just trying to get things done, right? So the firewood is my priority right now. It's got to be done. Awful late in getting that started, folks, but it is what it is, and we try to do better next year, right? I'm back, folks. I had company pop in, so I had to stop. So I just want to say, if you can at home or are interested in canning, pressure canning, or water bathing, I'm going to put a link below for Rose Red Homestead. Now, she's a pretty intelligent woman, folks, and I am going to do a mention, and hopefully she doesn't get offended. I don't know, folks. Who's getting offended by what lately? Holy old Hannah. But I'm going to put a link to her. She just did the science on pressure canning and water bathing. All right? If you do either or interested in doing either, please go to that link below, and it'll bring you right to her YouTube channel. Now, I've been canning for years, folks, and if for some reason I had to water bath my food, I would have done it wrong, right? So she goes right into botulism and the temperature, the length of time for your area, for your elevation, okay? Now, here, I have to do 11 pounds of pressure because I'm barely above sea level, folks, and my water boils at 212. She goes right into all of that, folks. If you can or water bath, I highly, strongly encourage you to go to that link and watch her video, okay? So that's what I've got to say. If there's any link that you follow, this one will be the most important that I put out there, I'm sure. So we got to be safe. We got to do everything right. And I've been water bathing wrong, folks. So you do what you want. You do what you want. But I would encourage you to go watch that Rose Red Homestead. Okay? Very important.